Mindanao is home to one of the most captivating destinations I've seen. Hello everyone, this is Jel and I'm gonna show you the land of the Dreamweavers. After my adventure in Sarangani, ay sunod kong pinuntahan ang South Cotabato as part of my Sock Sergeant trip. I stayed at the School of Living Traditions homestay where I got to experience Tiboli living for a day. Dito rin ako nakapagsuot ng kanilang traditional clothing called tinalak na pwede mong rentahan for the whole day for only 250 pesos. The next day, I explored the Lotus Garden sakay ng traditional na bangka na kung tawagin ay owong. Take note that the lotus flower blooms only until 9 a.m. so it is best to visit early in the morning. I also visited the Tiboli Museum kung saan may iba't ibang klase ng kulintang at Langdulay Weaving Center para sa proseso ng paghabi ng tinalak. I also made sure to ride the 7 Falls zipline. It only cost 300 pesos to experience the highest zipline in Southeast Asia, and the view while riding the zipline is so breathtaking. Mula sa taas, tanaw mo ang Falls number 1, the Hikong Alu, which means Passage Falls, and Falls number 2, the Hikong Bente, which means Immeasurable Falls. The closest airport to Lake Cebu South Cotabato is in General Santos City. May mga direct PUV from Bolaong Terminal bound for Lake Cebu. Make sure to follow to see more travel adventures like this.